Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to an Instagram post. Adding music makes your post more engaging, fun, and a great way to grab attention. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to create a new post. Now, select the photo or video you want to share. On the editing screen, look for the music note icon on the right side and tap on it. You'll now see the music library. You can browse through For You or Trending, or search for a song you like. Choose your music and tap the forward arrow. Next, slide through the song to select the exact part you want to use. Once it sounds perfect, tap Done, then tap Next again. Now set your audience, whether it's your story or friends, and tap the share button at the bottom. And that's it. Your Instagram post is now live with music. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more quick Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.